Yeah, I almost lost you guys for a second.
Much as we joke about the tree wells, like, it's pretty sketchy.
Oh my goodness. We rode those trees yesterday. Was not that much snow. Whoa. Wow. Welcome to a 20-inch powder day. Absurd. Now it is the Sierra Cement or whatever it's called. It's heavy, but it's still sick, still fun just to ride on a run and do untouched turns the whole way. It's so absurd. Before we get way too big into the video, big shout out to Cheyenne giving us his K2 Enjoyer, or Daniel it, to ride with. So how's the powder board, Daniel? First ever time on a POW board?
It's really nice. It's helping me out a lot. This snow is heavy, it's thick, but I'm having a blast. It took me a second to kind of figure out the snow in the board, but I'm loving it. I'm loving it now.
Guys, this is gonna be such a sick day. So let's get more POW. I'm trying to stop laughing because Daniel is... Oh, let's cut to Daniel's GoPro and listen to him on that run. Wow. Whoa. 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 Whoa, yeah! Dude! Whoa! Dude,
That was the best fall of my life.
You look like a flamingo with your head in. So we got a couple of shout outs here. Obviously Cheyenne for getting Daniel powderboard. But
Really,
Daniel,
again, I do not know how I would have gone through today and now tomorrow without this board, man. Thank you so much. Lifesaver.
what a nice guy. Also, Daniel, those are some fresh goggles you got there.
Yeah, another shout out to Outdoor Master hooking me up with free low lights so I can see properly in this, avoid those tree wells.
Shout out to Elevation Supply Co. with the gloves. My hands are super dry on this crazy wet day. And guys, we do have to mention today and the trip sponsor, Pearl Wax. I waxed up the powder board for actually the first time of owning it. I'm cruising on the cat track, ripping the pow. Obviously, you don't really need too much wax for power riding, but on the cat tracks in that slow area, my speed is on point on this nice slow day here in the thick powder. Once again, Pearl's been in business for 20 years. I've personally been using them for 10 years. So I'm so stoked to be working with them. My favorite part about Pearl Wax is that they're eco-friendly. So when you are using their wax, you know you're not messing with the environment. You're not putting bad chemicals into the water. And overall, it's just super sick. So if you guys do need wax, hit up Pearl Wax. They gave us a coupon code, which is so sick of them. 15% off your first purchase. So load up on some wax, maybe get a wax kit if you don't have one, and just basically have a better time on the mountain because your board is waxed. I could sit here and talk about Pearl Wax all day though, so let's get back to the riding, guys.
As I saw you fall, I couldn't do anything, and I was like, just don't hit it.
I know, I had flashbacks of when Daniel hit me. I was like, no. Today's been such a sick day. Not because, like, obviously the snow's good, it's so fun, but to see Daniel this happy has really made my day. Like, he's yelling, best day of my life, and you guys heard him riding, and it's so enjoyable to just see your friend have that much fun. I mean, I'm having a blast too, but dude, he's like a kid in a candy shop. I'm dying. And then with me dragging him out here to help with the videos and everything, just for him to have that much fun on a day of snowboarding makes it all worth it. We're getting close though to the end. We're physically getting tired because we're supposed to get another foot of snow, so we don't want to like kill ourselves today, not being able to ride tomorrow. Did you get stuck?
You know I got stuck.
You got so stuck.
I followed that track.
Yeah, to death.
And it was just like, I was like surrounded by a wall of snow. And I was like, whoa, dude. No. Yes. No. Oh, there I go. I will say though, this is the type of snow you do not want to get stuck in. Like that. Ooh, that's not good. Yeah, when we say the snow is heavy, it is heavy. It's like quicksand. No. Whoa! Dude! Never had that happen before. Literally had snow come up into my mouth, straight into the back of my throat. Wow, this is retarded. Oh my God! Whoa, dude! Oh, can't keep up, I'm so tired. I just watched Johnathan fall. Best day ever.
Seriously,
dude. Dude, this is awesome.
Yeah,
dude, you missed it. So somewhere up there, like I had it like a slash. I literally had snow go into my mouth and down my throat. I was like I choked. Like, it was great.
Whew, what a day. This one's chipmunk. Let's finish strong. Honestly, what a sick day. Oh. Not the best powder snow, but great snowball snow. Cheyenne, we liked the powder board, at least Daniel did. We only had one issue with it. Where's our sticker? You got Board Archive and Snowboard Pro Camp, the Evolution sticker. We'll have to fix that before tomorrow.
Yeah, man, it's all right, man. We'll get you hooked up tonight after we get back to the pad.
Yeah, I think the least we can do is throw an Evolution sticker on your snowboard for hooking us up. But if you guys don't have an Evolution sticker on your snowboards, what's wrong with you? The link is in the description. So it is official that we are completely soaked. We are gonna have to get very creative in drying our gear for tomorrow, or it's gonna be cold. No matter how good your snowboard gear is, on a wet day like this, eventually it'll get wet. All right, we just pounded some PB&J. We're waiting for our buddy Ian to get off the mountain. He still wanted to take some runs and everything, which is totally fine. We're not gonna make his day end because our day was over. It was just the wetness that really got me. Daniel had the day of his life, but the thigh burn got him.
Oh, it got me hard. It got me pretty hard, guys.
But overall, sick day. And guys, today's sticker shout out goes to Gimbal Bamf. Got the green sticker rocking on the board. Looking sick, dude. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. But I also see a Pearl Wax sticker on there. Heck yeah, thanks for using Pearl Wax. Guys, once again, if you want to get good wax and save some money on it, hit the link in the description. Use the coupon code that they gave us. You can save 15% off your first order. They're sponsoring this trip, which is super sick. And I'm super thankful just to work with such an awesome snowboard company that's been in it for 20 years. So it's so sick. With that, guys, that was day one of the powder. 2 to 3 more days of powder coming. Not much parked on this trip because it's coming down. It's still, I mean, it snowed all day and it's still coming down.
This is madness, guys.
Pure madness, but we're having the time of our lives. But with that, guys, we gotta go chill, rest up, and get ready for another powder day. So as always, thanks for watching, keep evolving, and we'll see you next time.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody.
Peanut butter and jelly, we're chilling, waiting for our home.